We're about to make the veggie burger of your dreams. Think about it, a real patty with real ingredients. We begin with a true veggie burger, a patty that has the perfect hearty texture, made with real ingredients such as carrots, peas, and peppers. You can pair this with a soft bun, homemade sauces, fresh veggies, and next thing you know, you'll consider opening your own drive-thru. Let's get started.
Let's do this. All right, for today's burger, we're using tomatoes, avocados, red onions, and fresh lettuce. I grabbed that from the garden this morning. Fresh is best. We just sliced some onions. We sliced some of the tomatoes. And we cut the avocado. We're using the avocado to give the whole burger a little bit more creaminess. How are things going over there?
Great. The awesome thing about these burgers is they're just heat and serve, so they're ready really fast.
While we're getting the burger patty heated up, I would even suggest to put some cheese on top.
Absolutely. Thank you.
And for our burger today, we have a beautiful brioche bun. Cut that in half, and I'll put it in the oven to heat that up a little bit. While the buns are heating up, we're making a quick aioli. We're using some mayonnaise, some salt, some onion powder, and black pepper. And we wouldn't call it an aioli if we wouldn't use garlic. I myself prefer fresh garlic. Get the peel off. And chop it roughly. A small trick is to use a little bit of salt and squeeze the garlic with the edge of your knife to make a little bit of a garlic paste. We add that to our aioli and we finish it with a good squeeze of lemon juice. Give it a good mix and try it out. The burger is ready?
The burger's done, yep.
Okay, let's get at it. We're starting with the bottom of our bun. We're adding some of our homemade aioli, and then we're getting our nice veggie patty with a little bit of cheese. We top that with tomatoes, with some of the avocado, and we're going to finish the whole burger with some sprouts and our fresh lettuce. Et voila!